Konnichiwa minasan, o genki desu ka? Genki desu. Hi. Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to learn some useful phrases for travel. So without wasting our time, let us get started. So if you're planning a trip to Japan, it is essential to know some of the phrases that will help you navigate through different situations. So here are some very useful phrases for travel in Japanese language. Watch the video till the end. Phrase number 1. Eigo o hanasemasu ka? Eigo o hanasemasu ka? Minasan, kore no imi wa, do you speak English? Do you speak English? Guys, this phrase means, do you speak English? So this can be used when you need to ask whether the listener or whether the person is fluent or they can speak English language. So you can use the word eigo o hanasemasu ka. This will help you to ask for assistance or to ask for the directions in Japan. Okay. Phrase number 2. There is dash wa doko desu ka? Dash wa doko desu ka? This phrase means where is dash. You're asking for a place or the destination by this. Where is dash? So when you're looking for a specific place or any landmark or location, you can use the phrase dash wa doko desu ka? In the fill in the blanks or in the dash, you have to put the destination or your location you want to ask about from the listener. Okay, for example, where is Osaka? So, Osaka wa, our place Osaka wa, doko desu ka? Where is Osaka? This is a very useful phrase. Yes. Phrase number 3. Ikura desu ka? Ikura desu ka? This phrase means how much does it cost? This is a very useful phrase. It is very useful phrase to know that, to ask the price about an item or a meal, even for a meal. You have to use the phrase ikura desu ka when you want to seek the information or when you want to seek the price of an item or a meal. Ikura desu ka? This is a very useful phrase. Phrase number 4. Oishii desu. Oishii desu. It's delicious. Japan is renowned for its delicious cuisine. So this, to show your enjoyment and to show your happiness of a meal, you can use the phrase oishii desu. Oishii desu. It's delicious. Yes. Phrase number 5. Doko desu ka? Doko desu ka? This phrase means where is the restroom. You can use in this way, where is the restroom? So when nature calls and you need to find a restroom, oh my god. So you can use this phrase doko desu ka? Or if you want to find a specific place or you want to seek for a specific place or the direction, you can use the place name before it. Like, for example, where is Fuji-san? So Fuji-san wa doko desu ka? Fuji-san wa doko desu ka? But doko desu ka means where is the restroom? Okay, so this is a very needy phrase. You have to learn it. Now, our last phrase for the video is onegai shimasu. Onegai shimasu. This means please. Please. To be polite or to show respect towards the listener, you can add the phrase onegai shimasu when you are making a request or asking for the assistance from the listener. You can use onegai shimasu, please. So this was the 6 phrases, very useful phrases in Japanese language. Now, by learning these useful phrases, you will be better prepared for your adventure in Japan. Yes, ain't you? So don't forget to